Ever wondered how professional NFL jerseys are made? Let's explore the incredible factory process behind every game-ready jersey. It begins with lightweight polyester engineered for strength, moisture control, flexibility, and long-lasting performance during intense football games.
These white yarn cones are immersed into navy blue dye in yarn cone dyeing machine, which turn the yarn into navy blue.
Advanced knitting creates breathable cooling zones that improve airflow while keeping players comfortable throughout every demanding play.
Engineers build a detailed tech pack containing approved artwork, colors, measurements, logos, and precise manufacturing specifications. Automatic cutters and precision lasers shape every fabric panel quickly, accurately, and with perfectly clean sealed edges. Sublimation permanently bonds vibrant colors into the fabric, preventing cracking, peeling, or fading after countless washes.
Heat presses add names and numbers, while embroidery and sewn twill create the authentic professional game day appearance.
Skilled operators carefully stitch every panel together, using durable seams designed for maximum comfort and long-lasting strength. Each jersey undergoes strict inspections for stitching quality, accurate colors, perfect graphics, and overall manufacturing excellence. After final pressing, every jersey is folded, tagged, carefully packaged, and prepared for worldwide distribution to eager football fans. The finished jersey combines advanced engineering, premium materials, and expert craftsmanship into true professional sports apparel. Now you know how NFL jerseys are made. Subscribe for more amazing factory manufacturing videos every week.